Hello, this is Ronnie. I'm back here with a clip covering the Chinese market. The clip is taken from a long video, almost 1 hour and 20 minutes of analysis, detailed analysis of many markets around the world. You can have access to this long video by taking a trial that is very modestly priced. You go on my website, just give you a quick view here of the situation. You go on my website, wavemastery.com. Yes, www.wavemastery.com. This is the front page. You can scroll down, you'll see some examples, and there are plenty of charts here with interesting analysis. Plus there is also a gallery. There are two galleries with lots and lots of charts if you're interested. Of course, you are welcome to investigate and to check out the website. If you want to take the trial, just go and subscribe here. And this is the trial. It's a 7-day trial, so it gives you access to fresh videos that are recorded every day. And this is the link that you would use. You can pay with PayPal, and it also gives you access to the long video, yes, that I just recorded. Plus access to the archive. You can check quite a few weeks of videos that are on the archive. This is for the daily video service, but there is also a trial for the weekend video service. This is also priced at only €2.99. Yes, €2.99. It gives you access to the archive, and it gives you access to several weekend videos. I think at least two long videos. Okay, 2 long videos, if not 3. Check the description here. You just click on that. He tells you get 12 calendar days. Yes. To subscribe to the Wave Mastery Weekend Video Service trial, price at $2.99 for 12 calendar days. You see, and give you a very good idea of what I'm doing. And you can always contact me, even as a trial member. You can get in touch with me and put to me some specific questions. I'll relate to them. As long as you are a member, I will take your questions and deal with them, and maybe even cover them in the video. So that is concerning the trial. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to get in touch with me. Other than that, I hope you enjoy the clip, and see you next time. Here's China. This is the weekly, and China is reaching the point where it's going to be equal. The C, yes, the C is going to be equal to the A, and there are already huge signs of bubble of mania in China. I just want to very quickly refer to an article that appeared in Bloomberg. Shanghai traders make trillion yuan stock bets backed by debt. And you can search Bloomberg. It appeared not long ago, on the 2nd of April. In short, they are piling so much debt that is really creating history here. Here talking about the outstanding balance of margin debt on the Shanghai Stock Exchange surpassed the trillion yuan mark for the first time on Wednesday, a nearly fourfold jump from just 12 months ago. This is a complete mania. Here the city's benchmark index has surged 86% during that time, more than any of the world's major stock gauges. And there are some amazing statistics here. Here's, for example, traders have opened 2.8 million new stock accounts in just the past 2 weeks, almost on par with Chicago's entire population. Can you imagine that? Can you imagine that? Traders have opened 2.8 million new stock accounts in just the past. This is unbelievable. And there is some statistics here. Here's another one. He says here, very interesting, an economist, Richard Ely, says more than 2/3 of new investors have never attended or graduated from high school, according to a survey by China's Southwestern University of Finance and Economics. So you can imagine these people are extremely They represent the crowd, the definition of a crowd, totally emotional, totally unanalytical, or if you like, not composed, just being carried with total excitement, with a fever, and what's going to happen when the stocks will turn down. We're going to have an absolute bloodbath. There is another thing I have to show you here. This comes from Zero Edge, that the economy is imploding at 2008 pace, and investors are record bullish. Yes, I agree. Statistics are there. Here's China rail freight volumes. It shows you where we're going. It's record low, going back to 1991. Even in 1999, 2008, 2009 wasn't that bad. It's already worse. The source is from Bloomberg. And he tells you, the interpretation is that this tells us that China's economy is collapsing. China is an export economy, with much of it going to the US. So bad news on the horizon for China. Here it tells you, so it should be little surprise that the US import data just posted the worst collapse since Lehman Brothers, right here. And that's the collapse. Lehman Brothers imports took a break in the US, and we are heading in the same direction. That is reflected clearly in what's happening in China. Yes, the many trains are just not running as they used to because people are not buying. Imports are down. There's a lot of statistics here. This is also very interesting. Investors Intelligence Survey percent bears. You can see we are, since 1990, we're at the lowest level of bears around. But despite all that, I still think the market will continue higher for several more months, and later on we will deal with a carnage. We will try to be, of course, placed on the right side. Now, concerning the chart of the Shanghai, I will now switch to the daily, and momentum is already flashing danger signals. We have here 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4th wave. There are two options here. Either ended here or here. If it ended here, it gives us further room to run, and I think that is the most likely scenario. That's a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3. We have a 4th wave now, and another shot, and that could be it. Could be it. Australia is looking like that will be the top for Australia. It could be that it's going to coincide also with China, so I'll be looking at this very carefully. Coming back to break under 2,300 is probably signaling the beginning of a huge bear market.